Good morning, guys. My name is Alex, and I welcome you to the analysis on gold. And let's start with the first, like yesterday's situation that we were talking, that there is a good resistance at 2670, below which we can see a correction. Okay, so now when we talk about the correction, this wave has started after the FOMC data. Okay, when it made the low of 2547 in the downside, after that, this wave started, and it is currently going in the upside. So now what first situation when what we can see is like gold makes a downward correction, and what will be the range then 2641, 2608, 2593. These are the three levels for which gold can go down if it is a correction in the downside, looking at the resistance of 2670. Okay, now in opposite case, like if it breaks in the upside where it can go, then there is a first psychological level of 2700 and like 2690. This will be the range from where this this could be the final end to this wave, and we can see the downward movement. So for today there are some major data. When you talk about the USA, then there is the final GDP data, that is of quarter on quarter basis. Then there are unemployment claims, core durable goods, final GDP price index, and also Fed chairperson Powell will be coming, and there are other members also. So today there is going to be a huge volatility into the market during the US session. So you must be prepared for some upward spike. Okay, we can see that gold might give a spike till 2700, 2710 or something like this range, and then start to fall. Because what is the reason behind the fall? Okay, first of all, when we talk about the fundamentals, then this trend, the bullish trend, was over at 2600 only. But this wave, the extended wave, is due to the growing geopolitical tensions between Israel and Hezbollah. Okay, due to this is the extended buying we are seeing. Or else, if that was not the case, then gold would have fallen from here directly into the downside. So this is the reason, because of the geopolitical tensions. Now what is happening is, as you all know, that there is elections coming in the USA, and right now any president will not want that war is behind his name. Because right now, if you see, if the war in Israel extends, okay, then it will be bad for Joe Biden's image, and right now they don't want that. So they are trying their best to resolve this war, and it will be closed soon. Within 1 day or 2 day it will be closed, and after that there will be no fundamental reason behind to buy gold. Okay, after that the bearish continuation will start, just because right now FOMC is after today there will be no further meetings or anything till November. Okay, so there is a big gap, and there is a possibility for downward correction. Also, dollar is making good support about the 99 level. So let's see what happens today. Today is a very important day. It's like a judgment day. So I give all the best to all of you guys. Look for selling from the high points and target in the lower range, okay, of 2600 or 2590. Thank you so much.